Life changes in the blink of an eye. No one believes that it can happen to them, but let's be honest, it can. Home security and the protection of loved ones is something that you should never take for granted. The right device ensures peace of mind while having ease of use. Knob Sentry is a passive alarm device that attaches to doorknobs in seconds. The device operates on a 9-volt battery, which does not drain until the siren has been activated. Simply lock your door, attach the device over the doorknob, and turn the power on. Siren activation occurs when the knob is turned just a few degrees to the left or right. For those looking for an inexpensive home alarm, the Knob Sentry is effective, efficient, and affordable.